Next, eto hindi 'to humihingi ng information sa AI. Merong text, magulo. And I use this basically for books, book chapters, legal documents, dikit, somebody typing in Facebook na dikit comments. Sabi ko, reformat, do not touch the letters, just the spacing and format, one sentence, one paragraph. So sobrang habang text. Somebody wrote, I just want to read it properly. I can't read it kasi dikit. I had it reformatted. Pwede mo palang ipa-reformat, but you need to tell it, do not touch the letters kasi pag hindi mo sinabi sa kanya yan, isa-summarize na yan. Format lang. And I have to tell you, you guys already should know this, lalo na kung nag-prompt 101 kayo sa akin, ano? If you give the AI example output like this, mas kaya niya, as I said, an AI is a pattern recognizer. If you gave it a pattern that it can recognize like this, oh, run an SEO agency, scrape companies hiring SEOs. Itong format na to, na kinuha ko lang sa Twitter, ibinigay ko sa AI as an example output. Kung kaya mong bigyan si AI ng example output, mas madali yung output niya. Kasi gagayahin lang niya yung output mo, tapaltan lang niya yung words. Kung ano yung pinaka most common na occurrences. Alright? Let us proceed with the next one. Top 10 tips for solution for slow processing kids. Mali yung may speed. Slow processing speed kids. Ano sabihin nun? Yung bata mabagal makakomprehend. Ito yung mga advice na dapat mong gawin sa anak na mabagal mag-comprehend. Instead of buying a book, maghanap ka sa YouTube, magtanong ka sa mga kakilala, try mo muna yung advice ng AI, baka naman matino. Okay, again, don't just believe it kasi minsan consult a psychiatrist, American yung gamit lang ng konting utak. Kung walang utak, tanungin ng asawa. Baka siya may utak, yung asawa. Kung walang asawa, tanungin ang magulang. Common sense lang konti when reading the stuff. Okay? Katulad nito, simplify so I understand it. Use examples. Tapos na. Alright. Okay. AI so far, as of today, July 20, 2024. Write me a C code to generate the Mandelbrot set. Write me a C code, Python, Swift, to do something, anything. Most of the time, it will give you code that will not work. Very rare yung, ay, perfect, walang error. I tried it many times before our show tonight. So, nag-update ako. This is an old instruction I gave last year to a ChatGPT. Hindi talaga mag-work. Sorry. I'm a programmer. I actually read this stuff. Yeah, I can write that down by hand kasi ito yung trabaho ko for 18 years. And yeah, the code's fine, but the AI can't do it yet. Okay? At least ito. Okay? I haven't tried it sa Copilot, sa Claude, pero this is ChatGPT as of now, July 20, 2024. Hindi niya kaya. So, sayang. Ganda sana if it really can write code. It can write code fragments that work, maliliit na parts, pero the entire thing hindi masyado. Alright? Okay.